Hello there and welcome to Fitness Insights. Anri here and today I'll be your personal trainer. This session will be a Pilates session for your entire body. We are going to go from our arms to our abs, to our chest, to our back, to our booty, to our legs. Everything will be worked out today. So if you're ready, get into something comfy and let's get started. Alright guys, you can start seated or standing, any way that's comfy for you, and then we're just gonna open and close our arms. Come into pigeon pose position and create circles with your arms. Use your back muscles to push your upper body backwards in order for you to stay upright. Switch legs and fly gracefully. Fly, pigeon, fly. Grab onto your feet and stretch up. Shoulders away from your ears and keep taking deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. Alright guys, let's bend our legs and lift both up towards the sky. Lift from your booty and really squeeze your butt. Very good. Come into plank and then lift your midsection into a position that looks like you're being punched in the belly. Now we're gonna come into high plank, and then you're gonna climb your opposite knee towards your opposite elbow. You're gonna do this very slow and controlled, and each time your knee meets your elbow, you're gonna squeeze your ab muscles. Alright, come back to that seated position, and then you're gonna give me arm circles again. Alright guys, come into all fours, lift your leg to the side, lift your leg to the back. Nice work. Let's do the other side. Lift your knees and let them just hover above the floor. Stay in this position by incorporating your ab muscles as much as possible. Alright, now for some cobra push-ups. Lay face down on the floor, hands by your sides, and use your arms to push yourself away from the floor. Keep your elbows close to your body. right, now we're at our last move. You're gonna bring your hands to your ears. You're gonna lift your upper body off the floor by using your back muscles. Wow, great job! Your workout is completed. Thank you for working out with me today. Please like and subscribe. Goodbye.